Hey, I'm Rehane. In this playlist, I'm gonna tell you about Flow and how it's work and why we need to learn it. So, let's start. In this series, you will learn everything that you need to know about Flow in Kotlin. At the end of this playlist, we will work on two projects. The first one will be about working with Flow beside a room database, and the other one will be working with Flow beside Retrofit. So in this video, I will cover these topics. First, I will answer this question: what is Flow in Kotlin? And then I will talk about hot and cold data source. And then I will answer to another question: why do we need to learn it? And then we can start to using Flow in Kotlin. And the last thing that I will cover in this video about builders. So what about other video? In the next video, I will try to cover operators in Flows. I will talk about most popular operators that we used in Flow. And also, I will talk about exception handling. And then I will talk about StateFlow and SharedFlow. And as I said before, at the end of this playlist, we will work on two projects. The first one, it's for a room database, and the second one, it's about Retrofit. So, the first question: what is Kotlin flows? As you know, in coroutines, suspense function returns a single value, but how we return multiple computed value? This is where Kotlin flows come in. The follow type of coroutine can emit multiple value, unlike suspend function that returns only one value. For example, a follow can receive a live updates from database. And also coroutine can be extended to provide multiple value through follow. So there must be a match between the emitted value. For example, a follow with type int can emit integer values. Okay, here you can see the example of using follow. A follow is similar to an iterator in that it creates and consumes data. For example, follow can make a network request without interrupting the main thread. Don't worry about this part of code. Later, I will explain each part of this code in details. And about hot and cold data source. What that means? Since most data source you use daily in your project fall into one of these two categories, it's useful to understand the difference between hot and cold streams of data. For example, collection like list, sets are hot data. Sequence and Java stream are cold. Channel is hot. And also, while follow and Rx Java streams like observable, single are cold. And what's the difference between hot and cold data? Hot data streams are eager, produce elements independently of their consumption, and store the element. But cold data streams are lazy, perform their operation on demand, and store nothing. We can observe this difference when we use lists is hot data and sequence is cold data. Builders and operation on hot data streams start immediately, but on cold data data streams, they are not started until the elements are needed. As a result, cold data streams like sequence streams or flow can be infinite. Do a minimal number of operations and also use less memory. No need to allocate all the intermediate collections. And the important question, why do we need to learn it? Asynchronous programming improves application responsiveness and performance. ReactiveX Java-based extension RxJava may be used to develop apps, but Kotlin Follow APIs provides similar features. It offers suspending function which help conduct asynchronous activity, and also flows can be used in a variety of situations, especially when we have a background task that emits some data based on task status and we need to react to it. Before we understand the what and why of follows, let's take a closer look at this in the Android Studio. As always, here I have a new project. So guys, to create follows, we should first use follow builders. With the follow builders function, you can make a new follow where you can use the emit function to add new value to the stream of data. So first of all, here I should add some dependency into build Gradle app level file. So let me do it. We need this dependency, and also let me upgrade this one. Okay, and then you need to sync it. Okay, it syncs done. And here let me write some simple code and show you how it's work. Okay. Here I just want to use launch, and here let me create a simple function, private phone. It's simple, and I want here this function returns me a follow of int. Okay, just let me import it. Just pay attention, you should choose this one. Okay, and here call follow builder. And guys, don't worry, I will explain in details all the code. Here, just I want to show you simple use of follow. So here, okay, it's better, yes. And here let me call delay for 100 milliseconds, it's okay, and emit I. And here I can call my function and use collect operation here, and inside the body I can just set a value name and use look, and here let me here, okay, and here just I want to show my value. Okay, let me run this project and see what happened. Okay, here in the lookat, I filter my result with this tag, and okay, as you can see, this code waits 100 milliseconds before printing each number without blocking the main thread. As you can see, the result of this code. And here, why I used lifecycle scope because the follow builder is executed within a coroutine scope. So because of that, here I'm using a lifecycle scope, and also I will use this scope for all of my example. Let's continue. In the follow API, we have three major components, and it's follow builders, it's operator, and is collector. We can now a builder as a speaker. What that mean? We can assume a builder as a speaker. That means the speaker will think, like do a task, and speak, like emit items. And we have four type of follow builders: follow off, as follow, follow, channel follow. So we will get familiar with each of them. First of all, let me create another activity. I just want to keep separate code in the separate activity. So here, just let me create empty activity with this name just for my builders function. And also let me check this checkbox and okay, finish. As I said before, the first function is follow off. So let me show you how it's work. Again, here I just want to use live cycle scope and call launch, and here I just call follow off like this. And this function is for creating a follow from a fixed set of value. So here I should put some value to, for example, 7, 5, 1. And then I can collect them, okay, like that. And here I can show you how it works. So just let me change this tag name, and also here just put at the name of this builder. And here, as you can see here, I can access to each of these elements and just call it here. And let me run it. And let me copy this one and paste it here. Okay, as we expected, here there is the result, and with this log, each item is printed here. So let me show you exactly the same approach with a string. So for example, here we have some name. Okay. And also this one, it can be okay. And here, as you can see, it changed into a string. Why? Because my element here is a string, and if I'm run it again, it should print Ray, Andy, Alex, Mari, and Petra here. Yes, as we expected. Okay, so far so good. Let's continue to working with another function builder. The other one is as follow. Okay, let me write it here. Again, I want call lifecycle scope and call launch here. As follow is kind of extension function on various types to convert them into flow. So here, for example, I have some number from 1 to 5, and here I can call as follow, like that. And then I can call collect and collect them, and I can do everything that I want. Here I just want to show them in the log. So let me again copy this part and put it here, and also I can copy as follow and put it here. And as you can see, same as the previous one, here is int because my value are int. So here just need call my value like that. And let me clean my logcat and run it again. It should print for me from 1 to 5. Oh, okay, sorry, here I filter the wrong one. Yes, as you can see, it's logged. This log show me the number from 1 to 5. Let's continue with the next builders function. So let's comment it, comment this part, and again call another one, lifecycle scope dot launch, and here follow builder function to construct follows from sequential calls to the emit function. And how it's work. You saw the simple form of this builder function in the previous sample here. Exactly. And here I just want to show you another example of using this builder function. So here just to need call it like that, and here inside the body I can create a simple data, and here call for each. Yes, okay, and here I can pass my each of value, and okay, in the last step here I just need call my collect operation, and here I can do everything that we want with our value. So here I just want to call a log. Okay, and here just let me yes, and here just use follow, and same as the other logs, just here need call $it. Okay, and let me clear my logcat and run again. Okay guys, here just let me change it, yes, to this one, and let me copy paste it here, and again launch our application. We expected to see the data from 0 to 10. Yes, as you can see here, exactly our output is from 0 to 10. So far, so good. The next builder function is channel. So let me comment this block and create another lifecycle scope block. And what is a channel flow builder function? This builder function to construct flows from potentially concurrent calls to the send function. So Here, just need to call channel follow like this, as you can see here. Okay, and inside the body, and here, like this function builder, we can have an array of data, but there is something different. As I said before, here we should use send instead of emit. So, and the last step here, just we should collect our data. Okay, here, and like this, just let me copy and paste it here and change it to channel follow. Yes, it's done. And let's see the result. Here, just let me copy and look at, paste it. Okay. I expected to see exactly I wanted to say. I expected to see the data from 0 to 10, as you can see. Okay, for now, it's done. Now, we got familiar with the concept of follow APIs in Kotlin, and also we got familiar with the builders in follow concept. If you have any question, please don't hesitate, ask me in the comment section. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe my channel, like my video, and also you can share your idea with me in the comment section. And also, if you need to learn a specific topic in the Android, so just please let me know. I will try to record a video. See you soon in the next video.